Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this Caribbean style curry chicken. So first I'm going to get my chicken, it's already cleaned and prepared, place it into a bowl, add my fresh ingredients. So we've got red bell pepper, scallion, we've got some purple onion, I've got some salt, black pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, and 6 sprigs of fresh thyme. Drizzle over some olive oil and give that a good mix. Leave the mixture to marinate overnight or at least for an hour in the fridge so that all of the flavors can seep into the meat. And that's the preparation of the meat done. Then you want to get your Dutch pot, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add in 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, one tablespoon of minced ginger. And once this is all mixed, you can then start to brown your meat. Brown your meat for about 5 minutes, turn it occasionally so that you get each side. Then add in 2 bay leaves, 1 Scotch bonnet, or you can add in 2 if you like things real hot. And then you can add in your water, and you can add in a stock cube if you like. If you don't want to, then you don't have to. Let this simmer for about 30 minutes and then you can add in your potato. I've got 2 potatoes peeled and chopped, and I've also got 7 grams of fresh parsley. At this point I removed the Scotch bonnet because I didn't want it to disintegrate and then, you know, you can't find it and then it's just super hot. So I removed it at this point because I was happy with the spice, but you can leave it in if you like. Give the mixture a good mix and then you want to keep this cooking for about another 35 minutes. The sauce will thicken a tiny bit because of the potato, and then we'll come back to it. Added in another half a tablespoon of salt just to taste. And then these were the final results and it was absolutely delicious. Let me give you the close-ups. I also did fresh bread with this and it was divine. Look at the texture, it was so soft. And if you guys want me to do a video on the bread, oh my god, I will definitely link that. And this is what it looked like. It was so good, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, be sure to give me a like and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.